Hi, welcome to the YouTube Invisible Lady channel. I want to thank all of you that have subscribed to the YouTube Invisible Lady channel, and those of you who have left comments, thank you for your comments, and remember to like, subscribe, and share. Invisible Lady is what she called. She's in the race for the long haul. Giving up feels like letting go. Just ride along and go with the flow. Hope for understanding and personal growth too, for her, them, and others to do. A little creativity and fun along the way. Let's get this lesson started, not ceasing to pray. Hi, this is Invisible Lady coming at you with Leo, Life Application Overview of the Sunday School lesson entitled Rejoicing in Restoration for Sunday, May the 27th, 2018. How did I get here? Didn't notice a noise screaming in my ear. I didn't see this coming at me. I was fooled by the buzzing I couldn't see. Tempted by the unexpected. Fear of being unprotected. Is God really in control? Drowns my desire to console. Sometimes the doubt looms, but the power of faith resumes. God's mercy sees us through. Our hard situations break through. Praise God, our awesome creator. Life's too hard or too short to be a hater. No matter what we experience, God's love for us is serious. As long as we're on this side of life, hope for today should be right. Believers to God, we gotta talk. Key to our faith is in our walk. In the good times and the bad, feeling alone and sometimes sad. But it's time to feel grateful, because we're living among the faithful. Do we lack if we have what we want or what we need? Our wants to Him this time we plead. Jesus is suffering, love and peace. While on earth, human struggles didn't cease. He understands our human brokenness, but left the door open for hopefulness.